Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for 18th of November. And first of all, national news. Shashi Tharoor wrote to Elon Musk over X follower count. Complete failure. Supreme Court on solid waste management rules in Delhi. More pollution curbs in Delhi from tomorrow as air quality turns to severe plus. Amit Shah reviewed Manipur security situation amid unrest sources. PM Modi to get Nigeria's G-Con Award, second foreign guest after Queen Elizabeth. Now some international news. Nigeria to honor PM Modi with G-Con Award. COP29 week 1 ended in deadlock as divisions stall climate action progress. US health officials reported first case of new form of Mpox in traveler. Nepal India agreed to better coordinate border security. Russia targeted Ukraine power grids in biggest missile attack in 3 months. Now some sports news. Women's Asian Champions Trophy hockey, India beat Japan 3-0 to top league stage. India surpassed Pakistan's massive T20 international feat after series win against South Africa. Ex-RCB star to stay in Australia as backup for Test series, report revealed reason. Business-related news. Navratan Group developed eco-friendly cement. Aditya Birla Group made $20 billion investment as it set eyes on scaling biz. Insider trading, ABB India got SEBI warning for breach of norms by employees. And that's all in news. Thank you.